front line, please. Start smashing slowly. This their caller, This their caller. I already marked him, okay? Ground front line and start smashing. OC if you're smashing. Heal up front line. Be careful, okay? Yo, just support the front line. Guard run it. They're about to engage. Yeah, there. Okay, can smash it. Heal up fast, heal up fast. Oh my god. Shaper. Careful. Okay, just heal up. Careful, heal up front line. Yeah, just keep smashing. Careful. Okay, just keep smashing it, Southwest gate.
Let's clump nyo naman to.
Second gate ang aming status.
Yeah, just keep smashing it. It's fine.
It's okay.
Heal up. Yo, careful in the front, please. Okay. Careful, they're looking. Careful sa damnation na yun, ah. They still have a shaper, I don't know where the shaper is. Oh, there. Okay, I see the shaper. Just keep smashing.
Careful baka mag-look
Yeah,
sa atin.
6-2 shaper, pero on front.
Heal up. Yeah, please watch the front line, okay? They OC'd already, okay? Careful. The tanks can OC.
Tapos nga lang kayo
Careful,
pong resto
careful.
para madali ilagin yung baril.
It's a fake. They're gonna perma
Isang
engage
ano lang,
probably.
one lang.
They're looking.
Pasag na yung small gate ah.
Yeah. Okay, just keep smashing.
Watching,
Just keep smashing. Try to smash inside, okay? Oh, they're rotating, okay? They're rotating. Come back. Just come back first, okay? Just hold there. Just hold on the southwest side.
Huwag nyo nang
Just
pagsalitin
mount up.
guys.
Just mount up and, just hold on the southwest side. Yo, listen, kill the guards here.
Hey, inaabot kami.
Inaabot kami, Amog ya.
Wait,
Come
hindi
southwest.
mo
Okay,
po pull out yun.
Careful.
Ano? Are you guys good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bumabalik
Okay,
na.
okay. Okay, you guys can go back, I think. Okay, wait. I don't see the call. Okay, you guys can go back and smash. Yo, listen, careful in the front line. Don't stay on the choke, boys. Okay. You guys can go back and smash. Careful. You have a healer naman there. Majority of the Zerg is with me.
Pero
Careful.
Okay.
Yeah, listen, smash the southwest and heal up on the southwest. Careful, people at the north side. Careful. They're engaging.
Wait lang, mag-garden ako.
Oh, there's a fake. It's a fake. Honey's gonna, they're engaging Honey.
Sige,
Heal up. Careful, backline. Careful. Heal up front line.
Tara.
Sige, nag-engage sila dun.
They just engage, okay? They're resetting their cooldown, okay? They're gonna have engage soon. Careful. They're gonna have engage soon.
Bye.
Yeah, they're still here.
Delay.
They're still here.
Careful.
Careful.
Heal mo na dito,
You
heal mo
guys
na
are clumped
dito.
up there. Careful. Tanks, watch the gate, please.
Heal
Yo,
first.
I need one front line healer with a brain.
O,
Okay,
sila ba
my
tayo?
tanks, okay?
Sige.
Yeah. Heal first.
Shaper. Skypod, shaper, careful. Okay, good.
Hindi, pwede natin i-brawl yan Pag
Are you guys good there now?
Bro nga yan.
Listen, just guard on and
Careful.
smash shallow. Careful, just guard on
Yeah,
and smash shallow.
na.
Pasira na ba yung gate na yan?
Hilang.
60%.
60%.
Careful, heal front line. Nobody should be dying there. Careful.
Heal mo na. Tank mo na mag
Yo, careful, there's shaper. Yo, brawl this shallow, this guy, brawl this shallow. Yo, make sure CC him. They're looking, careful. Careful, heal up front line, pass. Careful, guys.
Pull nyo, dumadami na, nasa team shield.
Dapat sila, wag Giga pat.
Come sa this. Okay, pull back. They're looking at the choke, careful. Cleanse on the choke, careful. Spread. They're gonna engage you. Careful. Come back out. Just wait. Careful on shallow. They're gonna look shallow. Hello?
Ready.
Just wait. Careful. Just wait. Kumusta? Malapit na ba yan?
Hindi pa.
40%.
Kami ng small party.
Yeah, listen, tanks, get ready, okay? We're gonna brawl them shallow.
Yeah, lumalabas
Yeah, they're going back, okay? They're going back to you guys.
Ingat kayo dyan pabalik.
Heal mo na dito.
Spread. They can look on the choke. Careful. They can look on the choke. Why are you guys hovering on the choke?
Teka, wala ka naman.
Medyo madami na sila dito, Amog.
Yeah. Nandito naman majority sa akin. Nandito caller nila sa akin. Careful.
Shaper gamit,
Shaper. They engaging. Heal up. Wait, brawl shallow. Brawl this guy shallow. Come on, boys. Brawl this guy shallow.
Guys, ipahingayin nyo muna yan. Walang mana yung healer.
Oh, they're gonna turn here, ah. Careful. Okay.
Out.
We can come back. We can pull back and hold. Careful on the east side, okay? Heal up. front line. Don't leave the front line. Heal up, heal up.
17%.
Okay, we can brawl them shallow here. Careful.
17%.
Heal.
See, minute.
Teka,
Wala
walang
nang mana
mana
healer
healer.
natin.
Come Satis, where's my chariot? Chariot, can you not miss? Come Satis,
Kaya pa ba yan?
outside.
Hindi, yung healer sa west side.
Focus lang, focus lang,
Yung
focus lang muna sa bong. Malapit na, konti na lang.
10% guys. 4.
2%. Basag na, Mogi.
Back muna.
Come Satis.
Basag na to.
Yeah, I'm coming there now. Come Satis. You listen, just be careful of the engages.
Yung mga...
You make sure you guys CC their their siege bow because it's gonna be painful. Everybody OC. You listen, if we're able to walk in, make sure to hit their backline deep. A lot of them are playing Clotty, okay? You listen, tanks in the front now.
Pa-engage mo. Engage mo na.
They have a shaper on the northeast side, okay? Over the wall, okay? Careful.
They dodge
You
the barrel.
after the engage, okay? Ready defenses, ready guard. They're looking over the wall. Yo, walk in and brawl shallow. Kill these guys in the front line. Kill these guys in the front line only. On this front line only, boys. On the front line only, okay? There's tanks here. You're shallow. 3, 2, 1, just kill the shallow.
Paper, longing choke, ingat kayo.
Careful. Spread. Wait, don't push in yet. They're gonna engage you na. They're out of cards on top of us. Careful. Heal up. Why did control die? Come back. Careful, shaper. Heal up. Come out first. Heal Hani in the front line. Heal Hani in the front line. Okay, just wait. Just wait.
Ito lang sisi sa likod nila.
We need to kill the tanks also. Hey, where's Asura? Wait, why is Asura on the other side?
Gamit lang.
It's a DPS. Why on the other side?
Infinity Blade yun.
You got pulled. Why are you on the other side though? Careful. Ready your potion when engaging. Okay, ready your potion. Potion, walk in. Just walk in, potion. Just ball their backline. Heal up. You kill this guy shallow here, on top of her. Kill this guy on this front line, okay? Come back. Why am I not getting hit? Come back, heal up. I'm not getting any hits. There's so many, Come back. Heal up. Daka naglalak tayo ng DPS, man. Yeah, heal up. Spread. Come back southwest. Trigger fast, DPS. Heal the front line. There's a agent in the front line. Heal. Good. Come southwest.
Apat na abim.
Heal. Come back. Pull them more. Yo, can the tanks start ka lang? They also on brawl complete. Need to be able to...
Longing, ingat.
Yeah, you guys have to CC, and we have to hit a target talaga. Where's the healers? Let me mark the healers.
Mogi, I'll come front with you.
Yung shaper nila almost walang mana na.
Dapat kasi nag-dismount sa likod niya. Nakahama. Dami ng tanks.
You guys have to CC talaga. They have a lot of side Careful, Hilani. They're gonna engage on Nani. Careful. They're looking shallow. Wait. Heal up. Can we brawl shallow only? No, just come southwest.
Bubrol tayo nung per.
Fire is
They are-
Sakit ng
They are putting this for the...
we need to target the fire a lot. Because I need to kill the guards. The guards is the main problem as of the moment. That's why we can full push them. How many healers still in party 2? Yo, Asura, why are you not triggering? Asura, why are you not triggering?
Hindi na, nag-top na. Nag-top na ba o malis siya?
Bro, you're watching your VOD. We still in fight.
They're cutting.
Hey, listen. We clappers for a while there's nothing happening. Kill front line. You're ready defense on me, ready guardian on me. They're gonna try to engage on me. Heal up. Heal up only. Okay, smash. Yo, get ready, okay? Look at the gate, shallow on the gate, northwest. 3, 2, One, on the gate, get. Come back, hinilap. Yo, cleanse, and come back. Spread south side. We can delete them.
Dodge the barrels, guys.
Kidnapin yan.
Just dodge the barrels. Just dodge the barrels. Careful. Heal up front lane. Ba't ba first? Ba't ba B inuuna na pag ano? Napapump kayo. Brawl shallow. Careful. You're too close. You guys gonna get it pulled there. Too close. Shaper. Careful, they're gonna look soon.
Yung magre-rigger may Everwind sa
Pilap.
Yung magre-rigger.
Get ready to look at the choke. Yo, potion. Yo, backline, guys. Backline. Northwest, 3, 2, 1. Everything ano? Hito.
This one.
Come back.
Mga ginadaon mo.
Ba't ang dami nyo na-clap dun over the wall?
Kapatid
Yo,
ko
we brawl
ba?
outside. You guys get clap over the wall. Umali ka. Hilap.
They're going up.
Hold mo na choke. Just hilap front line. Hilap. Heal me. Yo, get ready. Look at the choke. On the choke. 3, 2, 1. Just on the choke. Everything on the choke. Stop everything on the choke. A lot of them low. Spread outside and brawl outside. They're gonna engage on the choke. Careful. Spread and brawl. Heal up. Yo, just try it.
Anong road?
Try this.
I think yung malapit ba si Terry?
Get out. Yo, why you guys get to engage on the choke? Over the wall.